Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have x to the power 5 to the power of x plus 2 minus 2 to the power of x plus 5 is equal to 0. We're asked to find what? X. Now, we're going to be applying this rule, this law of logarithm, where you have a m plus n is the same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So now we will say 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 0. Okay? Now we have 5 raised to power x 5 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 25. 5 squared is 25 minus 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4. This is 4. 4 and this is 16 times 2. That's what? 32. Okay? This is 32 is equal to 0. Now, we can say that 5 to the power of x 25 minus 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power x multiplied by 32. Now let's divide both sides by okay 5 to the power of x multiplied by 25 divided by 25 dot 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of x dot 32 divided by 25 dot 2 to the power of x. Now 25 cancel 25, 2 to the power of x cancel 2 to the power of x. So now we are left with 5 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x is equal to 32 over 25. So this is the same thing as saying 5 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 32 over 25. So we're going to apply when you have log a to the power of x is equal to as it's the same thing as x log a. Okay, so now we can say that x, we're taking log of both sides. Now we can say that x um log 5 over 2 x is equal to log 32 over 25. Okay, now to take the log of both sides, you say x log 5 over 2, the same thing as is equal to log 32 over 25. Now let's divide both sides by what? Log 5 over 2. So now we have that x is equal to log 32 over 25 over log 5 over 2. Okay, is equal to log 32 is what? We have it as 2 to the power of 5, right? 2 to the power of 5 over 5 to the power of 2 all over log 5 over 2. Okay, now we can say here that just like we have this rule here, we can say that this is 5 log 2 all over 2 log 5 all over log 5 over 2. Okay, now when you have log a over b, it's the same thing as log a minus b. You have 5 log 2 over 2 log 5. So this means 5 log 2 minus 2 log 5 all over log 5 minus log 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 log 2 minus 2 log 5 all over log 5 minus log 2. This is our answer. Bye bye.